Hi, I'm Dr. Toril Packing. I'm the Acting Deputy Chief of Engineer Instructions for the Department of Transport and Main Roads in Queensland, Australia. It's my absolute pleasure to be presenting our award-winning paper to you via this video, and I'm here with two of my co-authors, Dr. Rob Heywood and Duncan Ward here. The genesis of this paper came about through a number of different things. So the department manages a very extensive and decentralised network and accommodates for a variety of different industries, including mining and heavy industry and commercial activities. And what we have noticed is that we've had an increase in heavy vehicles across our network, in particular indivisible loads, transporting some very large equipment out to some of our mining areas. What we've also noticed is that some of our structures and some of our bridges have been suffering as a result of this increased activity. So we've seen some signs of structural distress, we've seen some cracking, it's all contained in our paper. And so we wanted to explore basically that asset consumption question, because we're trying to balance productivity to support our economy here in Queensland. And also we're trying to manage risks, particularly when it comes to heavy vehicle access. So this whole paper was born out of that premise. And we've got some insights that we'd like to share with you that's been derived from the paper. And I'll hand over to Rob to share a bit more.
Hi. So when we were doing this work, we set about understanding what the loads accessing our bridges were, these indivisible loads that Toril just spoke out, and how the bridges responded to that. And in particular, to close the loop between the assumptions that we make when accepting access of heavy vehicles to a network and responses of the bridges. We use bridge and traffic monitoring systems to collect this information, and that information is what you see behind me here on a very heavily trafficked route, and the insights in terms of those access management decisions have been important and are summarised in the paper. So over to Duncan to give us some insights for what we found about the conference.
Thanks, Rob. It was a real honour for us to travel to Prague as part of the prize and to present our paper. And while we were at the conference, I think we all agree that it was really interesting. Like, there was a huge amount of knowledge being shared, some really inspiring work in the International Road Assessment Program with road safety and sharing of lessons across borders. But I think the biggest takeaway for me was the opportunity that we got to meet the people who are essentially doing our role in different parts of the world. I'm really looking forward to how we continue that engagement. Toril's sitting now on two of the committees. It's Sustainable Freight and on Bridges. So exciting times ahead.
Yeah, we are looking forward to a collaboration with other road agencies and beyond. So thanks very much for the time that you've taken to listen to our video, and we hope you enjoy our paper. Thank you.